Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, which of the following graphs represents a system of linear equations with infinitely many solutions? Okay, so we're looking for this linear system, right? Okay, that actually shows you that it has infinitely many solutions. Okay, so how do I determine how many solutions does it have? Well, we say that a system has one solution, let's write it down, right? When the two lines intersect only once, okay? So the intersection happens only one time. That's when we said that there's one solution. For example, let's look at the graphs, kind of like my answer choices. Which one would you say that the lines are intersecting only once, that you can tell right away? Very good if you're thinking about letter C, right? Do you see the point that is here? Well, that's the point of intersection for those two lines, right? So we say that letter C has one solution, okay? Because the two lines are intersecting only once, okay? What about letter D? Are they intersecting? No, right? I can tell they're not never ever gonna intersect because those are the ones that are called parallel lines. Remember that? Okay, so no solution will be when the lines are parallel lines, right? They will never ever touch. Okay, so letter D, we're gonna say that it has no solution. Okay, so I know then that letter C and letter D cannot be an answer, right? So now we have A and B. Now I want you to pay attention to letter A, because even though the two lines are not showing you that they intersect, I want you to consider what would happen if I extend my line a little bit more. And I do the same thing for the other one. What do you think is going to happen? They are going to intersect. Is that right? For sure. We can tell they're going to intersect because the gap between these 2 points keeps on getting less and less and smaller, right? So I can tell that these will have what? One solution, right? Because I can tell that they're going to intersect. Now, if you're wondering, how can letter B be the answer then? Because according to this, letter B will say that it has infinitely many solutions, right? Well, I want you to pay attention to the graph because it's very important that you see these tiny arrows. Do you see these tiny arrows right there? Yes. So that is showing you that there is a line from here to here. It's like that section is one line. But then I have another arrows that are a little bit further extended, right? So that means that this is another line, okay? So these two lines are actually overlapping, right? I think that's the best way we can put it. Infinitely many solution, it means that my lines are overlapping, right? If my lines are overlapping, then I know that that's going to be infinitely many solutions. Therefore, our answer for this, yes, it will be answer choice B.